What's up, my boys? Hello, guys. Hello. Do you hear me well? I hope. My brothers. How you doing? Hello, bro. I'm good. What about you, bro? Thank you for asking, bro. Tell me if maybe music too loud or alright, maybe. I'm good. Nice, bro. Nice. That's cool. Hello, 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 Noel. Welcome, bro. Welcome. Everything is good. Great, bro. Great. That's good. Okay, let's go, my boys. Let's go. So what I think we finished with this one. Let's check. Best deals, crates. We buy. Okay. We sell. Maximum. Okay. Okay, yeah. I did that. Like. Okay, nice. Sell. Okay. Sell. Yeah, I need to connect these buttons. Shop inventory. And I think coins will make later. The coins probably will make later for this one. Let's connect shop inventory buttons here. We can switch easily between them. How we can do that? How we can do that? Hi, hello, hello. Welcome, bro, welcome. So, let's go in services. Shop system. How are you? I'm great, bro. I'm good. Thank you. Thank you for asking. What about you, bro? So where buttons controller, I think we'll make it in buttons controller probably. And just probably we need to initialize our buttons. Yeah, let's go. Let's do just like so. I think it will work. Let's take these buttons. Inventory shop. Okay, button stop. Button stop. Let's make it here. For example, local buttons. How to call that? Great. That's great, bro. That's great. Okay. Okay. Shop inventory. Okay. Top buttons. Top bar buttons equals self GUI. GUI. What is self GUI? Shop frame. Okay. Shop frame. Inside shop frame. Where is these buttons? Items frame. Yeah. Items frame. Items frame. Buttons top. Okay. Top bar buttons dot inventory. Inventory dot button dot activated. Let's copy this one. Just connect function. Let's make the same for shop. but probably we don't need it here because we need to do nothing here. Yeah, we need to do nothing, definitely. This is for shop. Let's see where we change our color. I think here. Yeah, probably here. Inventory. Yes. We need to change the color of this button. I don't need to call that in inventory. Shop button dot background color 3 equals to color 3 from RGB. This one. No, we don't need to do that, because in inventory we just by default it will be the color green. In shop, green will be shop. We don't need to change the color because this is different buttons. We just need to make this shop frame, yeah, self GUI visible to false, equals to false, self GUI. Hi bro, welcome. GUI dot parent inventory frame dot visible equals to true. That's it. Let's try. Hi, what is self, by the way? Self, this is let me show you, bro. How's your day going? Great, bro, great. What about you, bro? Thanks for asking. Self, this is I create this is like a variable. Just I create some variables inside my meta table. I create some variables here, and instead of just making variables like these ones, for example, I created in constructor. If you know about meta tables, you need that. Self usually self you need to use in meta tables, and yes, in meta tables, definitely. You can use it in default scripts. Okay, let me show, guys. We can use it in default scripts, but there is not a lot of purposes for this one. Okay, let's create. For example, let's create better model script. Model script. So I have a module right here, and I create a function module dot function. So for example, I wanna create some variables like this one. I create a self variable equals to no, that's okay. I wanna describe it without meta tables. Probably I can do that. In Sound Manager we did that, because meta tables pretty hard to understand. Yeah, oh yeah, that's great example. So for example, I just create I just put in my module some things. Module dot a let's copy something like this one. Module sounds, for example, sound 1, sound 2. for example, just, and self, wait, sound, self sounds, for example. So oh wait, sorry, very important about self, to call, so self, when we pass something inside when we pass this module inside this function. But to do that, you need to remove this dot, and you need to put here the colon. This is very important part, and it works always. So now if I make self dot sounds, for example 1, print self sounds 1, for example. Okay, let's call this script here, for example, this local script a just local a equals to require script parent module script a sound, oh not sounds, a play function, yeah, a function. So let's try what it does. Sound 1, as you see, sound 1, it's printed. So what I did just right now, so self, this is I passed through this function by using this column. This is very important part, guys. If you use that, don't forget about column instead of dot here. This is very important part. 1 second, guys. So we just pass through our like inside the first value. For example, module, in module script we pass this table, or we can do like so. For example, it will be the same like this one. If I put here, oh wait, if I put something inside here like so, this is absolutely the same. Let's try. Sound 1, as you see, this is absolutely the same. So I just, by using the column, you always pass your like, how to call that, your this table through your function as a first argument, like so, as a first argument. So self, this is that's its first argument, if you call that. So I can require this, and if I put like so, let's see what will happen. Let's see. Nothing happened because self doesn't exist. As you see, attempt to index nil with sounds, because I put the dot and it's already don't use this table because I'm not passing through the function, and it waits the argument here. I can do like so, yeah, I can do like so. Module and like so. It'll work probably. Module sounds. Okay, no, let's. No, I can't do that. No, I can't do that. Okay, so yeah, only like so we can do. So we pass through all this table, and you can just put some things here, and instead of. So what's the purpose of that? Maybe you ask. Because sometimes in when we use meta tables, we need to create some variables which we can reuse in other places, in other methods. In meta tables, functions called meta tables. This is almost the same. So, for example, first I wanna we create a constructor .new usually. like module.new, and here's I can create like local self equals set meta table, empty table, and if I'm not wrong, just the same table. Let's check. Yeah, that's also buttons controller. Yeah, just module. Also very important to do this one, index, like this one. So and for example, self dot I don't know, money equals to 1, okay, 9999. And now let's see. I just wanna create a method. This is the same like a function, but for meta tables it's called methods. Functions for meta tables. Modules column. That's very important because here's we put the dot because this function is not passing self. We don't need it here. This already use a column. For example here, and show money for example, like this one. As you see, guys, I don't pass any argument here, so this function, as maybe you think, doesn't know about this variable because it's in the scope inside this module, but I'll show you what it does. I make a self print self.money. As you see, this variable not here, this variable inside this function. So usually it doesn't work, but let me show, guys. First, local module. This is very important. Module a dot new. After that, module and module. Oh wait, a dot new. Oh yeah, I know. We need to return self. Show money. Yeah, like this one. Let's see, guys. 999. Let's go. So as you see, this variable inside this function, it shouldn't be shown outside this function, but because I use self, I pass through by using this column, I pass through self. So this works like we store these variables inside this module script, and in any method I can use that, and I can reuse by just calling self something here. Inside other method I can call like spend money. Also print self money minus 1000, for example. Okay, maybe minus 999. Oh no, I need to call that, of course. So as you see, spend money. So now as you see, 9000. So we can use these variables along all our script just by using this self. So it works like we put some variables inside the this is not how it works, but you can imagine it like so because it's easier to understand, at least for me. You like put yours like imagine this module script have a memory, some memory, and you put these variables inside this memory, and you can use inside any methods here, any functions here. So, and it's very useful. Yeah, it's pretty hard to understand how you can use in your games, and maybe you don't need it if you are beginner. This is like advanced programming, definitely, because to understand me, I spent like 4 or 5 months, guys, for this one. And so you don't need to always use that. You can so if you make just scripts like default without meta tables, you can make the same game like if you use meta tables, guys. Don't forget about that. This is very important part. But to control, to easy expand your game, to easy debug your game, yeah, of course, meta tables, object-oriented programming, this is better. But like final result, guys, usually will be the same. Or you can use just default functions, or you can use meta tables and OP. So guys, don't forget about that. This is just like a tool. You can make the same game by using different ways, like so. So maybe this is pretty hard question. This is pretty hard topic for me, and I'm still learning that, understanding that. But later probably you feel when you need, because guys, I'll show you how I already show a lot of time. This is how my script work looks before, all in one place, and all. This is pretty hard to understand where I need to find animation, for example, for my buttons. So that's it. Instead of that, I decided to separate all by modules. By the way, you can separate by the models, guys. You don't need to use OP. You can separate it by using without meta tables and OP. Just instead of putting inside one script, inside a monolith script, you separate your tasks, if I can say like so. For example, sound manager responsible only about sounds. This is not meta tables. This is not meta tables. If I use here as self, this is not meta tables. So this is just a default function, default module script which is responsible for only sound manager. And this is really, if I have the problem with sounds, I just go to sound manager and easy control, easy find the bug. Not to find in this hell. This is really before I worked only like so, and it was really hard when you develop that a lot, and to find something, this is pretty hard. So guys, don't worry about using module scripts. You don't need to use them like by using meta tables. Just use like default functions. Store your functions inside module scripts. So animations, for example, models, module for sounds, module for, I don't know, for data, module for abilities, maybe for each ability if they are absolutely different for your game, something like so, and it will be more comfortable to handle your game. And if you separate your game on the models, it will be easier for you in the future. Just learn OP, because you've already tried that. You already tried to separate, because object-oriented programming, this is not only about separating, but this is one of the pieces of that. So you separate tasks, if I can say like so. You separate functions. So you group some functions and put them in different models, like so. Yeah, it's not so easy as I told you, but for beginners who try maybe in the future to try understand that, this is something like so. So guys, that's it. Almost 90 days into the game, a lot of dedication. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Yeah, bro. When will your game finish? I don't know, bro. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. Interesting. Thank you, bro. I hope it helps some of you. Remember me, friend. Yes, bro. Yes. Welcome, bro. Welcome. Okay, my boys. Okay. Thanks for explaining. No problem, bro. No problem. Definitely, guys. I used ChatGPT to help me understand this question. I mean, not by using the whole script for my game or something like so. I use ChatGPT because I try to understand meta tables and object-oriented programming for a very long time, really 4 or 5 months. I really was interested about that, but my problem, I watched a lot of tutorials, and it's pretty hard to understand how to use in your game that, because they use, for example, we have a cat and dogs and class animals, but I don't have a cat and dogs. What the hell, my boys? What the hell? And I asked ChatGPT just explain the same thing on my examples on this game. So I have survivors, I have monsters, how I can use OP meta tables in my game to make it better, okay, and easy control in the future. So, and it just explain for me like the concepts, main concepts, how it works on my examples, how I can separate dependencies and so on. And really, guys, if you stuck for a very long time on some task, just try to use AI. That's a really good tool. Of course, don't rely on AI always, because it's anyway, I fixed a lot of things after it tells me what I need to do, because it's really, but like a main concept, explain architecture, how it works, yeah, that's good, that's definitely good on your examples. This is like your personal coach. But anyway, you need to keep an eye about it likes, at least ChatGPT for me, it likes to repeat a lot of stuff. Like after it tell me like you need to make this model, when I start to understand that, I see like 3 models absolutely for nothing. They do nothing in my game, but they exist for some reason, and it tells me just, bro, it needs in your game, you need to put that in your game. I try that and I see what the hell, what it does, nothing. I deleted that, it does nothing. So really, so don't rely like completely on AI. Maybe you find some better AI which really will be better. I told you about ChatGPT for me. So that's it, my boys. So that's it. Okay. Me and her I know dating. Oh bro, congratulations, my bro. Congratulations. Great, my man. Inventory. Okay. So let's change the color of the buttons. This is, what's that? This is shop. Shop should be green. Shop should be green. Shop should be green. Let's change the colors of that. Wait. Oh, image color. Yeah, my bad. Image. Oh no. Image color. $85, if I'm not wrong. This one. Yeah. Okay. Let's try now. Okay, my boys, let's go. Nice. Yo, hello bro, welcome my boy. Okay, my boys, let's go here in, wait. Buttons controller, this is shop, right? Let's see. Yeah, go in buttons controller for our inventory, of course, and let's bind here also our buttons. Items frame, self GUI, inventory GUI here. Okay, I don't want, I just want self GUI instead of inventory GUI. Self GUI. Bro, I also editing my game right now. Great, bro, great, bro. What's your game? Like this one, probably. Okay, that's a bet. That's a bet. Think I made. Let's make better inventory GUI. Yeah, better not to touch that. Better not to touch that. So frame inventory GUI here. Yeah, because a lot of dependencies here. Looks like so. Oh yeah, I know, my boys. Because we need to change the button. Here is shop instead of inventory. Let's go, my boys. So let's hide this one and let's go here. Let's try that. Inventory. Crates, for example. Here is crates. I don't know if it's good if we don't reset the last page, or that's okay. Or maybe we need to switch on the first. Or just like so, like crates, we close that and we open again, it's again crates, I don't know. Or we need to switch on the best deals always. What do you think, guys? How will be better? And here's also inventory, for example, I pick crates, I close that, open, I'm still on the crates. Or just it starts from the first one always. This is hard question. Let's see how I can do that. We need just to change the top. Self tops. Let's see where we can render our buttons, right? If we make it visible, we probably need to render that. But with self tabs, self current tab, maybe like so. Self current tab. Hello, hi, welcome, bro, welcome, my boy. Okay, self touch. Okay, let's maybe change that. I don't know. I don't know if it's work. This is inventory, right? Do you know Monster Death? No, no, bro. Who's that? This is a YouTuber or who? Okay. Sub controller. Maybe I know how we can do that. This is where is buttons controller? The button controller in inventory system, right? Yes, right. Maybe like so. Render items. Yeah, we can do like so, but if we need that or not, this is a question. Survivor stop, render items. Maybe we don't need it. Maybe we don't need that. Because maybe it's annoying even. Okay, really. If it's required, I fix that later. That's not a bug. Maybe it'll be a feature. So maybe really people wanna switch crates, go to inventory, switch crates here and see, and go to the shop and see the crates again, right? Instead of just again see best deals, again press on the button, and that's all, like so. So we buy that. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? He's a YouTuber. He taught me how to make Roblox game. I find your coding style similar to his. Never heard about him, bro. Coding style? Why? I think there's a lot of people do something like so. Maybe just it feels like so for you. Maybe, bro. Maybe, bro. I even don't know this guy. But I started with GNOME code tutorials. Maybe maybe GNOME code has the same. I don't know, bro. I don't know. And maybe, bro. But not. I'm not someone like, how to call it, all brawl deaf or someone like so. I started with tutorials, but not a lot also, like a basis I learned from tutorials, and then tutorials like about certain game, like add-ons for tower defense, like GNOME codes tower defense, and so on. So what's the problem here? Select self-selected get crate. What's the get crate here? Update? Where we call update? The data. I'm just starting out. How long do you think I would take me to earn my first 30,000 Robux if I put 4 hours of work every day? Bro, this is not how it works in the whole life, bro. This is not guarantee if you work not on the default job. Like if you work 4 hours a day, you can earn this amount of Robux. This is unpredictable. This is pretty unpredictable. If you have a job, bro, and you have a manager or a director, or how it's called, your employer, right? It's called. He's called. Yeah, you can think about, oh, I work 4 hours a day and I earn this amount of money, for example. But here is not, bro. Here is not. All depends not about hours, bro. All depends on how you about your thinking. If you really have a good idea, bro, you don't need to work every day for 4 hours a day. This is really, you can in 1 month earn this money if you really have a good idea, bro. And at the same time you can spend the years and don't earn this money. So this is not default job, bro. This is not default job. All depends on you, or all depends what's your aims. So do you want to work on someone? If so, it will be easier, definitely, than make your own projects, and where you need to really have an idea, find team or work alone, and promote your game and so on. If you want to work on someone, so tell me about your purposes. What's your aim? What's so you want to make your own game on, or for example, be a scripter in someone's team, like so. Tell me about this, please. So maybe we discuss about this better, because I don't understand your purpose. My purpose is I don't want to work on someone. So maybe we have different aims. Reset viewer we need. We need a method reset viewer. That's the problem. That's the problem. Create sphere. Let's create here. Create sphere reset. Selected item equals to nil. Self clear. Wait, I wanna see something. I wanna see something. Go in GUI. And this is shop frame, right? Viewer, crates, model window, canvas group, report. Okay. So we delete somewhere. we delete somewhere. This one, that's great, that's great. Thank you. So what's your aims, bro? I didn't hear. Do you want to work on your own, or on someone? What's your aims, bro? What's your purpose? Final result, where you want to earn Robux. Once I finish my first hobby game, I'm going to invest in reaching trends, learn from top performing hobbies, perfect my game, and then run TikTok ads. So that's good, bro. So you wanna work on your own, right? You wanna work on your own. It means, bro, this is more hard way, definitely, and you can't predict the result, bro. You can earn 1 million Robux in 2 months, bro, or you can't even reach this 30,000 Robux in 2 years. This is absolutely all depends on you, bro. Don't forget about that. If you make everything is great, if you make good ads in TikTok, if you make your game interesting and at the same time simple, bro, it will be a successful project. And don't forget, bro, even if all bad with your game, don't give up, bro. Always will be like so. Sometimes it'll be great, sometimes it'll be bad. Just don't give up, bro, and all depends on you. Don't forget about that. You can earn, bro, more than 1 million even Robux. I believe in that, bro. All depends on your efforts you put inside. So great, bro, great. This is first hobby. This is great. This is great for starting. Probably this is my first hobby game. Yeah, that's great, bro, that you started with hobby. This is I also think this is one of the best type of games for the beginners. And trends researching, bro, great. Perfect my game and then run TikTok ads. Great. TikTok is very good, bro. TikTok is really the key for for success. So I wish you good luck, bro, and I hope everything will be good for you. May I ask if you're German or British? Bro, not. I am Ukrainian. I'm not British or German. Hello, I know why I can't join Roblox anymore. I don't know. My country banned Roblox. I don't know, bro. I don't know. This is this is bad, bro. This is sad, really. So what's the reason why they banned Roblox? So, my boys. Self GUI. Because of scalp and what Roblox gonna do? Because of child safety. Oh, I've got it, guys. Roblox bans scalp because of the new rules or something. That's so I don't know, bro. I don't know what to do in this situation. That's really sad, bro. That's really sad. I don't want to use VPN because my brother told me not to because of Roblox safety. No, it's kinda sad that Roblox might get banned. Yeah, my boys, that's sad, but it's reality. Do you think the current drama on Roblox is a big deal? I don't. I didn't deep in this topic, but I heard you guys, some of you told me about who's scalp, and I heard about this topic before. I don't know, guys. My opinion is I'm not. I don't know a lot about that to tell something to you. Because I'm didn't interested about this topic. Probably big deal, I think, anyway, because he did something important anyway, because child safety is important topic, and probably big deal anyway. But I don't know who is Scalp, right, or how he's called. I don't know. Maybe I don't know what he did. Certain his actions. So maybe there are some reasons, and I don't know about that. But definitely, yeah. Definitely big deal. If you guys, if we right now if you're talking about that, this is definitely even concerns us, and I'm didn't interested about this topic before, so even I know about this topic. Probably this is a big deal, guys. So what will be next? I don't know with that. I'm just sad because I can't tell my best friends in Roblox that my country get banned. Only VPN, bro. Only VPN only, I think, right? So self GUI. May I ask what kind of game are you making? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level, with procedural generated maps. Here is a pinned message in the chat. Here is a 4 minutes video about this game. If you want, you can watch about this game. But in general, hide and seek with random abilities for survivors, like so. Cell GUI. Grades visible equals to false, and empty true. Maybe like so. Reset. Where we should reset that. My brother won't let me because of safety kids, and what David Basuki want to do. He wants to do something for adults only, but it's gonna be open for everyone. Yeah, I heard about that, but you need you need your passport or something like so to confirm that you're 21 years old or something like so. I don't know. Also, I'm not I don't know about this topic a lot, but probably like so, places for adults or something like so. No, he don't care about this. About what, bro? About passport? So in buttons controller, where is our create viewer? About safety. I can't, I don't know, bro, I don't know. I really don't know about this topic much to tell something about that. Self. 1 second, guys. So at least my brother showed me how to create an account in Steam so I can play better games than Roblox. Yes, Steam is a good platform, but there is a lot of paid games, bro. So if you wanna pay for games, I use Steam and I buy games. Yes, that's good. So, but don't forget, in Roblox there is a lot of free games. Do you think making money on Roblox is harder now than it used to be? ChatGPT claims it's saturated, but I'm little skeptical. What time is it in your place? 4:30, half of 5 p.m. Do you think making money on Roblox is harder now? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Why it should be harder? Why it should be harder, in your opinion? I think about this question, bro. Really, don't need to overthink that. Don't need to overthink about money or it's hard or not. Just bro, do steps, make some games, and if you like that, Roblox money will be money come in anyway, because if you do what you like, and all will be great. Just don't think about this. This is better, bro, I think. Gotta go. Okay, bro, thanks for being here. New subscriber, and it's me, by the way. Thank you, my friend. Thank you very much. Okay. So harder or not, I don't know, bro. I don't know why it should be harder. Competition always grows. A lot of good projects appears, but it doesn't mean, bro, that people won't play your games. They can play 10 games in Roblox at the same time. So don't worry, bro, just make your own projects and don't worry about money. If you make what you like, what you love, bro, if you do, you'll have money, bro. I believe in that. So bro, that's it. Swedish? No bro, no, I'm Ukrainian. Hello, welcome. So, we need, can we get basement reveal until the end of 2025? Bro, I told you, basement reveal on 1000 subscribers. So 1000 subscribers and you'll see my my basement. So that's it. I download 2 games from Steam and they are Brawlhalla. Heard about it, Rainbow Six. Oh, Rainbow Six I played, but I prefer Counter-Strike instead of I played, yeah, Rainbow Six. Yeah, there's some free games, bro. Yeah, that's it. But the main, the usually games there is a paid. It's worth, definitely. There are good games, a lot of good games. I like that, and I buy games in Steam, and that's it, bro. That's it, definitely. What type of game are you building? What type of game are you building? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level, with procedural generated maps. Here is a pinned message in the chat, and here is a 4-minute video about this game. If you want, you can watch. But in general, hide and seek with random abilities, like so, for survivors. So, Sir, what time is it for you? For me, half of 5 p.m. 4:30 p.m. I mean 1k subs basement reveal until end of 2025. Bro, this is hard question. Not everything, this thing doesn't depend on me a lot, bro. Yeah, so I just do my work, bro, and basement reveal, bro, only when as I told you on 1k subs, bro. When will it be? I don't know, bro. It's unpredictable. I do just my work, and people subscribe or not, this is their own wish. So I can't force the people subscribe to me. So bro, I don't know if it will be until the end or it will be in the new year. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Wait, are you in Ukraine? Yes, I'm in Ukraine. Okay, bro, there is no need to talk with me on Ukrainian. Thank you for that, bro, but there is no need, bro. Why I speak only English here, guys? I explain you guys, because my main audience, a lot of guys here speak English speakers, and it's not good if I if I talk to you on other languages instead of English. So on this stream I'll speak only English, and that's it, guys. So because really I focus on main audience, a lot of people, English speakers here, and understands English. So that's it. Looks fun. I'll definitely play it when it comes out. Thank you very much, my friend. I appreciate that. I played before and it was so fun. Thank you, bro. Guys, by the way, soon we start playtest this game together, my boys, because I'll need your help. We'll test abilities, we'll test how it feels. You'll tell me, maybe find some bugs, we'll play together like we did it before. Yeah, I just need to finish shop system and inventory system, and we'll playtest again, my boys, soon, very soon. Not today, of course, in some time. So that's it. Whoa, it must be scary. I hope the war ends. Are you safe though? It's scary, bro, when it starts. There is more than 3 years, and yeah, sometimes I wake up because of explodes. Yeah, but bro, when it lasts more than 3 years, You just need to live and don't think about this a lot, because it's like normal. This is normalized for you. So I live in the basement. There is no windows, so so that's it. So yeah, bro, I am pretty safe. Pretty safe. Thank you. English is international language. Yeah, and my channel on English. I speak English here, and I'll talk with you only in English. I'm from a Arabic country, and it's the biggest country in Africa, Africa, probably Africa, and Arabian country ever. Great, bro, great. When, my man, when? What are you talking about? When what? Oh, when playtest or what? I don't know, bro. I don't know. But this is close. This is close. I've almost finished all this system, and we play test together. I can't play it with you guys, but it's okay. And I got the rarest ninja. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Awesome. Do you have a Discord? I'd love to join and help play test. Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Of course. I have my Discord server link in the description. So welcome, bro. I can play, but I need it to be Saturday or Sunday. Bro, there's a lot of play tests will be here, so don't worry. You definitely join one of them, and so don't worry. Just now there's no play test because this is just shop system and there is nothing to test together. And after that we'll go to the main game and it will be gameplay, and in solo test gameplay pretty hard. So don't worry, bro. Definitely you'll face that. Just be on the streams, guys, and we play test together. When do we play the game or test it? I don't know, but soon, when I close this one, because sometimes there is new bugs appears, and so that's it. Not gonna lie, I knew about the war, but I rather not to talk about this. It's hella scary to think about. Yeah, but guys, this is life. Life is so unpredictable. So sometimes hard times grow strong people, guys. So anyway, it's not break me. It makes me stronger. All this situation. Yeah, that's scary at the beginning, but I just don't give up, and and I just do something. I do some steps. I develop the games instead of just lying and thinking about how everything is bad. I wanna change. I wanna create something. I wanna change the world. So and yeah, situation is pretty difficult, but anyway, guys, I'm not thinking about that. I feel confident about my aims, and I just go straight to it, and I don't think about explosions, about war. So that's it, my boys. We're gonna be with you, man. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you. Is making the Roblox games your main job? Yes, bro. Yes, this is my main job. This is my main job. Yes, I had 3 years in video editing before. This is my 7th channel on YouTube, or 6th or 7th, if I'm not wrong. And I have 3 years in video editing. So that's it. So may you get famous in the future, my man. Thank you, my man. Thank you, my man, for belief in that, for believing. Yeah, thank you, bro. Thank you for this. Before you change the world, change the basement first. Yes, bro, yes. So maybe I hope guys, later when I'll be in safe place, I just remember that that's a good time when we start, guys, together with you. It'll be great if it ends and I'll be in the safe place. So that's it, my boys. That's it. Gotta go. Okay, bro. Thanks for visiting here. Thanks, bro. If you got 1k sub, would you reveal the basement? Yes. This is I told about that. Yes, on 1k subs, I make a video about my house, where I live, how my basement looks like, and yeah, because maybe you're interested how it looks like around me, because some people think there's a abandoned basement probably or something like so, but that's it. So yeah, on 1k subscribers, basement reveal, guys. Like, and maybe I tell you about my life, what I do in my life, something like little life blog. Maybe I'll make something like so, and maybe some of you will be interesting how it looks like. So that's it. I'm so excited. Okay, bro. Okay. So my boys. Probably we need to create on the tops self survivors and something like so. I'm a game dev YouTuber from Vietnam too. Hope we can grow together in the future. Yes, bro. Anyway, bro, why not? All my way, why I started this stream series and this challenge with this game, because to motivate some of you guys, because I developed my first game 1.5 years, and I know how it feels when you work alone and you don't even have friends, or friends with who you can discuss about your game. And I think maybe some of you just turn on my stream and just make your games, for example. And it feels not so lonely, because really sometimes you have doubts and we can talk about something. Maybe you have doubts about your games, about some other things. That's why this is one of the purposes of this stream series about this. Because really I know how it feels when you work alone, and that's it. I'm in your basement. Okay, bro. Tank materials, a lot of things. Basement materials. Testers, bro. Yeah. That's funny joke, bro. That's funny joke. Can you make 5 Robux in donation? I mean in donation. There's no need, bro. There is no need. Just keep it 5 Robux, bro, for you. Don't need. Thank you for that. Don't need, bro. Because 5 Robux, bro, there is a commission in Roblox, so don't need to. You donate like almost the whole sum of these 5 Robux to Roblox instead of me. Really, there is a pretty big commission here. So don't need, bro. Don't need. I'm not. I don't need money so hard, bro. So don't worry about me. But thank you anyway. Thank you. Bro, my country banned Roblox, so I don't need this Roblox. I don't want to donate Roblox. Anyway, bro, there's a tax. Like 30%, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So for example, if you donate me 100 Robux, I get only 70. Yeah, 70. So if you donate 1000 Robux, I get only 700. This is 30% tax. This is 30% tax, and again, when I withdraw that in real money, also there's a like how it's called, their own exchange rate, or how to call that. So yeah, like this one. No, bro, I use profile service. For me was hard. Service for me was hard made because this need add GNOME codes and interacted. Thank you much, bro. I got that this important profile service maybe can would use profile data, but I choose serve. Oh, hi, bro. I use profile service. For me was use profile service for me. Service for me was hard make because this need add GNOME code and interacted. Thank you. Maybe can would use profile data, but I choose. I didn't get, bro. I didn't get, Phantom. What do you mean? I didn't get. So you use profile servers or not? Or you don't want to use? Maybe it's hard to you. Bro, if data store work for you, great. Why not to use data store? This is just my tip. Anyway, in the future, you definitely use profile service. Definitely, bro. Definitely. So if data store work without any issues for you, bro, use what works for you. Just maybe you'll get, maybe you think about, maybe you think you need more complex data storage and use profile service. I used, okay, so I didn't get, so you have some problems with that. Or what? Do you... By the way, I have like 3 or 2 weeks from traveling to Tunisia, and while when I was in Tunisia, me and my family goes to parade boat, and it was so scenery because you can jump from second floor to the sea. Oh, that's cool, bro. That's cool. Like there's a pool or something like so. We're testers. We make the basement great again. Basement national pride is bro, yeah. Basement made of testers. That's a funny joke, bro. That's a okay. Self-tap survivors. Taps survivors. Survivors. And here's. We have viewer, right? Yes, of course, my boys. Function, survivor stop, reset, viewer. No, they drive the boat to the middle of the sea and you jump into. Oh, that's cool. I thought this is like static, like a park, and there's a pool. Oh, bro, that's cool, really cool. Great. I don't have problem. All good. Oh, okay, I've got it. I thought maybe you have some problems with that. Great, bro. Great, bro. So, congratulations. This is a very good step for you. That you tried data store or data profile service. Data store, not data store. Data store, this is default. I mean, it does make sense that the basement is made out of that. Yes, bro, yes. I used profile service because you have me a hint. Thank you, you helped me. Oh, No problem, bro. You're welcome. I'm very happy to hear that it helped to you. Sorry, I gotta go. Bye, bro. Bye. Thanks for being here and thanks for visiting, bro. Have a good day, or evening, or night. It was difficult for me, but I realized that it was important to each player has had a saved profile. Yes, bro. I understood you. I absolutely understood you. Understand you. Because I faced the same when you make it first time. This is pretty hard, but bro, really, this you can use that in your future games always. So great job, bro. Great job. That's cool. You've already know about this, and you already know how to set up that. And next time it will be easier anyway. Much easier. Yeah, of course you watch the tutorials next time, because I watch every time tutorials about this profile store, profile service, and that's it, bro. That's it. So good job. Have a good day too. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you. A basement will be nothing without testers. What is the purpose then? Yes, bro. Yes, that's true. Viewer controller. Okay, creates viewer, reset. We need to reset viewer, and here survivors reset viewer. I don't know if it's work or not. Let's try. Let's just try. Yeah, I bet, because we need to put that inside our crate stuff. What the hell? Rates probably also. Oh yeah, because in Survivor Tab we don't have that. Create sphere. We need also not only create sphere, we need survivor sphere also. Create sphere, reset. Survivor sphere. Let's make it here, why not? Survivor viewer, reset, self-selected item. We have that. Yo, bro, could you help me out? What's the problem, bro? What's your problem? By the way, what kind of game are you doing? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors. With procedural generated maps. Here's a pinned message in the chat. Here's a 4-minute video about this game. If you want, you can watch. I just have this issue of trying to implement the Game Pass. What tips? Bro, I can't help you because I can't help you because I don't see your whole game, bro. And it's pretty hard, bro, to help you by using just your message. But personally help, I can't help, bro, because this takes a lot of time. So, but I think we can help you, bro. Anyway, here's my Discord in description. You can join my Discord, and here we have a channel called Help You. You can show your screenshots or maybe show your code here, and maybe me or other guys will help you, like so. So join Discord, bro. Link in the description. So that's it. Thank you, I will. No problem, bro, no problem. So my boys, so my boys. Okay, okay, no, we need this one. Update Snil with reset viewer. Self-top survivors create stuff. What's that? This is inventory system, right? Top survivors. Oh, crates. Oh yeah, my bad. Like this one, I think. Okay. And this is not all, of course. This is great that it works like so, but inside reset method we need to add stop animation. This is very important also. Create sphere survivor viewer we close, survivor stop. We need here to stop our UI animation. Select item. Maybe render items we need to make here. Yeah, looks like so, because yeah, probably we need to render items. Self. Maybe like this one. Let's do that. Hey Profan, am I late? No bro, no. Why are you late? Welcome Albert. Welcome bro. Like here, here. No, no. No bro, you're not late. So we need to stop pulsation. We need to stop that. UI animation selection pulse. Let's go here. Twin items, UI models, twin UI. Let's try models UI, twin UI. Stop selection pulse, probably. Stop selection pulse. What is container? I'm very interested. Yeah, probably we need to add here's one more method. Stop selection pulse. Stop selection pulse. We need what is container? I'm very interested here. Like this one probably. So we just need to pass here is a button, right? Right. So what's the button here? UI animation. I'm very interested, maybe all buttons we need here. Stop selection pulse. But we need to pass through genuine questions. Why haven't you tried using AI, and what do you think are the benefits? I tried, I used AI in this project, but only for explaining me what is meta tables and how like structure, how to organize my projects. I used ChatGPT. I don't think this is probably not the best AI helper in this question, but I like coding. I like coding and I love do all of that. That's why probably I don't use it a lot. I use once in here recently because it was a really hard topic for me. I spent 4 or 5 months to understand that, and this definitely was the way just to explain the concept of meta tables. So, but I don't mind using AI. Maybe it's later I use that, I don't know. Guys, about this topic, really, if it helps to you guys, just use. Don't listen to people who tell you this is bad, this is not, you're not true programmer or something like so. Don't worry, guys. Always people talk about you, like one guy tell you, oh, this is cool, other guy tell you, oh, this is bad. So just guys, if it helps to you, just use that. I don't mind, I don't judge the people about that. Really, this is if it helpful, I tell you opposite. I tell you guys, use that. If it helps to you, if you feel that it's really useful for you, why not, bro? Why not? Don't listen others. Don't listen others. So that's my opinion about this topic. For button in what is container? I'm parent template parent self items. Oh yeah, self items container probably. Get children. Do print button. Yeah, that's why I tried making my game with AI, and it's been fun, all AI, and there's consequences, but the benefits aren't bad. Yes, bro, this is definitely not bad. Can speed up your process, but not. I'm not rely on that because even if I'm not put the whole things it tell me, really there is a lot of repeat. It's tell me to repeat a lot of functions, a lot of modules, So really, if you use AI, you need to keep an eye and have a little experience usually to understand where is what it does wrong. Because really, I saw it tell me, oh bro, you need this model, you need this function, you need this function, and after that I see on my game and it looks really, I think, why I need these modules? They do absolutely nothing in my game. They for nothing. And it told me like, oh, this is very important. You need to use that. So really, you can use it like support, right? Personal coach, yeah, probably. But usually for explain something, like how it works. Yeah, that's great. But to make certain things, yes, simple things, it can easily make for you. But complicated things, like create for me shop system, for example, in Roblox, it can make it for you. But on some point, it starts sometimes to make something really strange, because it forgets about your previous code, for example, or maybe don't maybe make a lot of functions which repeat each other or something like so. So yeah, that's it, my boy. That's it, my man. Yeah, I have noticed that the problem is that it keeps saying those things. It currently has limits. Yes, bro. Like if it's use I used why I faced a lot of problems, bro, because I used for difficult tasks for that. Definitely that's a very difficult tasks, at least for me was. And yeah, that's why it struggle a lot. If use, for example, make I don't know, damage system for my gun, if you use make for me random number generator, made for me a random crate where I get random items, it definitely makes great for you without any issues. And you can implement little parts in your game, and why not, it can speed up your game. But really, it will be better if you have experience to understand where is bad parts. But if not, bro, if you don't care about that, just make, bro, how you feel. This will be better, instead of you struggling, oh, maybe I shouldn't use that because someone tell me not to use that. Bro, just do what you like. Because guys, very important thing about AI and other stuff like so. And really, guys, your players, don't worry. If you make your game inside AI, I mean the code, of course. If there's AI pictures, people probably will see that. But if you make your code in AI, or you can write it on your own, your 99% of players even don't think about that, and don't worry about that. Really, you don't need to worry about that. Really, yeah, 1% true OG developers think, oh, maybe this guy to make this in AI. Yeah, probably, but who cares, guys? Your main audience don't ever think about that. So don't worry, just use any tools helpful to you. This is my opinion. So that's it. Hi, cool stream. Out of curiosity, what country are you from? I'm from Ukraine. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Welcome. Alright, thanks, bro. No problem, bro. Hope it removes your doubts if you had that. So, let's see what is buttons. Reset viewer. Okay. Okay. Create template. What is create template? Okay, this is probably frame, right? Yeah, I think people are too scared of doing with AI, but I think it's better if you try and explore. Bro, you're absolutely right. I absolutely agree with you. Bro, when they discussing about what's bad, what's good, bro, you make steps. This is main thing. This is main thing, bro. And when they discussing, they told how better for you, bro. You already make steps. So you should be proud of you, and I'm proud of you also, bro. You already had a lot of people that you do something, you try something, and this is cool. This is cool. Always you'll find the people who tell you something you make wrong, bro. Always, always, everywhere, in any thing in your life, bro. They know better. So don't worry. You make steps, bro. Okay, maybe you now use AI, bro, but they don't start even first game, maybe. Really. So don't worry. Don't worry. Maybe you using AI now, and later you stop using that, and you'll be the best scripter ever. Why not? Why not? It can be true. So because it's very important in game development not to lose the fun, guys. If you lose the fun, you lose motivation, you burn out, and definitely, guys, this is very important. If any tools helps you not lose the fun, use that. Use that. So that's it. Cool, I'm from Poland. So, by the way, what's your favorite programming language? This is only my programming language, bro. This is Lua U in Roblox. This is ever my first experience ever in programming at all, and that's it. But later I definitely probably wanna learn C# and Unity and make Steam games. So that's it. Now this is my ever first game programming experience, and that's it. Yeah, I'm with you guys, because when like I get something wrong in my project and I ask AI how to fix fix it, he get it so wrong. All depends, bro. All depends really of the task. Sometimes if you put the whole project, it definitely can make some mistakes. If you tell like make for me random number generator, it makes great for you without any issues. So, or you put little pieces and just asking about little pieces of code. For example, I need a function which makes random numbers. It's easy make it'll easy make for you. I need a function which make a sprint for my player in Roblox. It's easy make to you. So really try this way. If some complicated things, it's usually really makes harder and make some errors. Hey Profan, it's your first game on Roblox you've created? No, it's second. This is my second game. My first game is Memes Tower Defense. I spent on that game 1.5 years, and that's it. That's it. I can send a video about this game because I started from that point started the whole Roblox career. Because maybe if I just for fun not decide one day to make that video, I never be here. I never be here. Just I had my YouTube channel about gaming. This is that video. I had my YouTube channel about gaming, and I decided, oh, it will be probably interesting to make a game somewhere, and I choose the Roblox. And in that video I'm total noob. I don't understand, I never programmed before, I don't understand how to do things, and this is pretty I really don't understand what I should do here. Maybe some of you it motivates. It was more than 1.5 years ago, and you can try my game, of course, Memes Tower Defense. So you can you can watch in that video how it looks like, and you can see how it looks now. Because in the video it's absolutely different game. This is that game, my first game. It's not finished yet. Project is closed because I really don't. There's a lot of issues with that, and I decided to stop that project. But that was a great experience for me. That was a great experience not to make big projects, because a lot of beginners like, and I also faced the same problem like a lot of beginners do. When you start the project which really very big for you, really, that's it. Try Python Snake. No, Python I don't think I learn. Maybe Python for bots I need on the streams, but probably not. I wanna C# and Unity, maybe, but this is at least for now, and this is later. Definitely, maybe something changed. Nice, I wish you luck. Thank you very much, my bro. Is your game the one with 2 million plays, meme tower defense? No, bro, no. I send link. My game is I send the link here in the chat. No, bro, no. My game, I don't have successful games with a lot of players. So no. This is only my second project, so all ahead for me only. So that's it. Yeah, my brother was making a game from a 6 hours video, and he was using Unity and C#. Oh, that's great, bro. That's great, bro. I'm gonna go. Bye, bro. Bye. Thanks for visiting again, bro. Thanks for visiting, bro. Okay, like so, maybe. Okay, item. If not item is a what frame, then continue end. Stop selection pool, pause, container button. Oh wait, like this first. The reason why MTD didn't perform is due to the bugs. If you still have passion for it, a little rebrand and bits of bug fixing can make it go viral. The game has a lot of potential. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you for these heartwarming words. There's a lot of issues, bro. Now I have more experience, and I understand. I understand that no, that's not a lot of bugs, bro. That's not a lot of bugs. So you check the current game, or you about video? Because in the video this is definitely not the same game. I sent link an actual game in the chat up here. So really, I understand there's a lot of things I need, like rewrite the whole code, refactor the code, because there is a big pieces of monolith code, like 3000 lines in one script. This is definitely pretty hard to handle, bro. And now I know meta tables, I know a lot of things, new things, and I don't really like to work with that. It's easier to start something new, and I realized that it's pretty hard to work with that, and I really burnt out about that game, definitely. Because guys, the main problem about that game, that after 1.5 years of development, I realized that there is probably 2 years more, and really sometimes you need to abandon and close your projects because sometimes it can slow you down. It's really slow you down, and I realized that meme tower defense, yeah, that's a good experience. That's very great experience for me. This is my first game. This is my first experience in programming at all, and that's it. That's it. Anyway, really, sometimes you need to start something new, and my best decision was, guys, to abandon and close that project. And now about this project, it gives me a lot. I really like this project. I really love what I do, and I have a big potential here. I grow my skills multiple times during this stream series, and that's it. So that's yeah, sometimes this is hard decision after 1.5 years to stop the project, and but really sometimes some things slow you down. I felt the same thing, and I realized that it's better to start something new. And you see, I'm here now. So that's it. What do you think are things that are too advanced for AI? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Not. I don't think about things advanced for AI. All depends. All depends, bro. How you ask. If you ask little pieces, it works great for you. If you tell like, oh, make for me the whole game, or make for me the whole shop system, it's definitely will be hard for it. But if you take the same shop system and tell to AI like, make the function which update currency, make the function which update inventory, and so on. So if you separate your task for little tasks, it works great for you. But so really, don't ask about some complicated things which requires a lot of functions, a lot of tasks in one. Yeah. So at this point starts really a big problems with that. I checked the game, that's why I saw the potential. Oh, okay, bro. I saw the enemy weren't spawning. Maybe, bro, maybe. Shouldn't be. Should work? Oh, I don't know. Maybe some bugs. 3000 line in one script instantly, though. Fair enough. Yeah, bro. I don't know, maybe some bugs, but last time I tested, all works great. I don't know, maybe there's some bugs. Yeah, why not? There's not optimized code anyway. There is a high ping always, and now I know how to fix all of that issues. But I know really I need to rewrite like the whole game. This is a lot of time. Imagine I spent on the game 1.5 years. To rewrite the code, I think I need 3 years, I think, because it's pretty hard. So that's it. I am stopping with project. No, I tell about my first project. This project, no, all great, bro. This is about my first project. I just share experience, maybe it helps some of you. You're giving a good advice, and you seem like a good guy. I wish you the best of luck on your journey. You deserve success, friend. Thank you, my friend, for these heartwarming words, bro. I really appreciate that, and it really helps me move ahead, bro. Thank you for that. Yeah, bro. Yeah, guys. I just wanna all the stream series all my way. Just after when I making my first game, I faced a lot of difficulties on my way because I didn't stream, I didn't make videos a lot, and really I understand how it's hard for you to make everything alone. I understand. Maybe I wanna share. Yeah, I wanna share my experience. Maybe some of you avoid my mistakes and don't make the same mistakes like me made. So and sometimes support you in hard times, because I know it's so when you're a creator and sometimes you can lose motivation. And but I hope some of you maybe you tell me about that. Yeah, some guys tell me about that, and I told the guys like, bro, you make steps, you creator, you already ahead, you already do something great. So bro, yeah, sometimes difficulties will be, but that's good. And if it helps someone, it makes me happy. So that's why all of that. So thank you my friend, thank you for these words. Okay, container and button. What is container? Container. What is item? Item, this is a frame. Container, I think that's it, maybe. Maybe like this one. Item button. Okay, let's see how our templates looks like. Items frame. Items. Best deals. So should be button. For item container get children. What a button here. Button is not inventory frame. Items frame survivors. I'm gonna go now. Have a good day and stream. Thank you very much, my friend. I wish you all the best, bro. Same, bro. Thank you very much. Roblox banned in my country today. Why, bro? Why? What happened? And what's the country, if you wanna say? And what's happened? Algeria. Why they banned, bro? Because of child safety, right? Because oh yeah, there is someone told about that. Yeah, bro, I've already heard about. Some guy was also from Algeria, right? I guess yes. That's sad, bro. That's sad. That's sad. But maybe they changed the rules and they unban. Sometimes it happens. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Or do something different. Maybe like so. Okay. Okay. That's work. That's work, my boys. Okay. Yeah, nice. Nice, great. So it's work. So reset works. We need to make UI animations probably for our shop. Yeah, that's right. That's right. By any chance, if you have free time, will you be willing to check my game out? Like, I feel like I need some mentorship currently, so that I know if I'm going to the right direction. In Discord server, bro, also there's a channel called Your Creations. You can share your game here, and maybe other guys sometimes play from the server some games. Sometimes me play, sometimes even once I made a stream where I test your games, and maybe bro, maybe just share a link here, and stay tuned, bro. Maybe one day I make one more stream where we play your games, guys. So anyway, bro, if some guys play your game, so maybe they give you feedback. So yeah. Hi, what game are you making about? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level, with random procedurally generated random maps. So here's a pinned message in the chat, and here's 4 minutes about this game. If you want, you can watch, bro. But in general, hide and seek with random abilities for survivors. Like so. So that's it, my boys. So guys, for today, that's all. For today, that's all, my boys. So guys, thank you all who was on the stream. Don't forget about link in the description. Here's my Discord server. Here's you can share your games. Here's you can get some helps. Oh, thank you. I'm soup. I didn't saw that. Don't give up. You're meant for success. Thank you very much, my friend. I didn't saw the donation. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much for support. I appreciate that. So guys, thank you all. Thank you all who watched. Thank you all who was here, and thank you all who helped. We'll definitely go back. Thanks, finally found a genuine and dedication streamer. There's so many people who do it for money. Thank you very much, bro. I really appreciate these words. If I wanna make money, bro, just probably I want to didn't go to the Roblox, bro, because there's a lot of ways how to earn more money than in Roblox, and or I just make brain rot games probably if I wanna make it in Roblox. So thank you, bro, that you saw that. So guys, thank you all who was here, and we'll see next time, my boys. Bye bye.